All right, so now we've been at our client and we have actually taken the order. But before we go back to the office, we want to just document everything that we have done while on site with this customer. So that could make it a lot easier for the back office to know what has been talked about, what is important, and also for future visits, I can look back at what has actually happened last time I was with my client. So let's have a look how the app can assist in documenting, for example, a meeting report or checklist. So I will just go straight ahead back to my app. I will click on my meeting reports, create a new one, and it was with our customer Deerfield Graphics with Mr. Kevin Wright. I can give a little description of the actual meeting. So it was a product demonstration and of course a sales demonstration. I can have a look at what kind of interaction this was. So let's say it was a on-site visit. Of course, I can rate my session with the customer. So was it positive, negative? In this case, it was very positive as we created a sales order. We can also have a look at who initiated this meeting. It was us or it was it them. In this case, it was them because they called me to have a look. I can add anything into this content field, like a live demo with samples, for example. And of course, I've taken some pictures while I was with this customer. So let's do that as well. So I will just take my tablet, add a picture. It will open my camera. I will take a quick snapshot of the new products that I was demonstrating. And of course, I can edit them as well to just go straight ahead and say, okay, these 4 colors were super interesting and they really liked the blue pen. So I will just add this, go back, and then I have all this information at hand for my next meeting with this client. Alternatively, or as an alternative to meeting reports, we also have our checklists available. Of course, we can create any type of checklist that you need for your customer visits. But here we've just thought of a scenario. Let's have a look at a new checklist for our customer Deerfield Graphics company, because we were on site. How was the location of visit? That was, let's say, store number 1. We can have a look at, was everything fully stocked when we arrived at the clients? Yes or no. If yes, then of course we don't have to amend anything. If we say no, of course, which items were missing? Was the pricing correct? I can think of pretty much any question that I want to make sure gets documented. So how was the overall impression? I will choose. It was a very clean display. And again, I can add pictures, etc. So even like this, we can go ahead and create some checklists for your sales team to go through whenever they visit a client. And all that needs to be done is just by clicking this checkbox to release. This will release the checklist to My Business Central, and all the information is available back in my main ERP system.